Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another episode for you. Today we're going to be installing a K&N high flow air filter on this Dodge Ram. So we'll walk you through the whole process, how to pull the box, install it, check it out. Alright guys, so we got the filter here. So on the truck itself, there's 4 clips around this side, and then there's some alignment clips over here. So we'll pop these 4. And then we'll pull this out and get the next one in. So here's the old one. Let's see how dirty it is. Not bad. How many miles?
34,000.
34,000, not bad. But here's the new bad boy. We'll slide this one right in. Get it to sit down in those cavity. All right, so now this is the important part. On this side, there's some plastic alignments. So you just gotta push the air box towards the engine. Get it down in there. Okay, so we got it installed. We got all 4 of the clips back on. Just wanted to note that the filter itself is washable. It's not a filter that you throw away. It actually comes with this sticker that we're going to stick on right here in case the next owner or whoever has something to say. We also bought the filter cleaning material, so it comes with a spray and the oil. But that's it. Very, very easy, very simple. Pulled the air box off, dropped the new one in, re-clipped it. That's it. I think anybody could do this. It's a very easy job. We'll put the link to all of the stuff down below so you can purchase this for your truck. This truck is a 2017 5.7 liter Hemi. Super easy job. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos similar to this, maintenance how-tos or replacement parts, anything in between. Links are below. Please subscribe. Until next time.